Lasagna? With chicken afritada? Kaya ba sa microwave yan? Kayang-kaya with a Condura microwave. Our ingredients: 1 pack of fresh habit chicken afritada, 12 sheets of lasagna, 1.5 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a half cup of tomato sauce. First, parboil the lasagna sheets by soaking in steaming hot water for 10 to 15 minutes until they're tender. Drain the sheets and set aside after. Next, heat the fresh habit chicken afritada in our Condura microwave for 3 to 4 minutes at medium-high settings. Separate the meat and veggies from the afritada sauce and slice the chicken into smaller pieces. Then, add the tomato sauce to the chicken afritada to ensure there's enough moisture and better consistency in the sauce when we microwave the lasagna later. Okay, it's assembly time! Layer the bottom of the microwave-safe dish with the afritada sauce. Add a layer of lasagna sheets. Top with the chicken afritada. As an added hack, put some bechamel sauce to make the lasagna creamier. May ready-made bechamel sauce in jars or packs sa mga groceries. And then, ulitin lang ang process na ito hanggang makagawa ng 3 to 4 layers. The top layer should be a generous amount of sauce and cheeses. Then, microwave the lasagna on high for 5 to 10 minutes. Let sit for a couple of minutes, garnish with parsley, and serve. Voila! Super easy and yummy chicken afritada lasagna. O diba? Kayang-kaya sa Condura microwave. Like and subscribe for more microwave tips and recipes.